Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Wells Fargo Mobile two-step verification code not arriving. No verification code, it's often your phone settings or the number type. Fix it in seconds. First, make sure that your do not disturb mode is not blocking messages or calls. So if it is on, then just turn it off. After that, ensure the number on the file is correct, no VoIP or Google Voice. So make sure that it is correct and the code will be sent to your number, not someone else's. Then try resend code after 60 seconds and switch to mobile data. Go ahead and switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to rule out network issues. Then if SMS fails, switch to email verification if offered. Call Wells Fargo supporting if codes are blocked repeatedly. Tip: carrier filtering can delete short codes. Try again or contact your carrier, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.